It's okay. Thanks so long.
In Toronto! The CPKC Holiday Program actually started in 1999, and we've been able to raise over $24 million and over 5 million pounds of food for local food banks across Canada and the United States. And what's important here is all the money that you're going to raise here and all the food that's going to be donated is for people here in Toronto, the people that are in need here in Toronto. So that's very important. On that note, and speaking of Toronto, I'd like to invite your mayor, Olivia Chow, to say a few words.
Thank you. Okay, loudly. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Yeah, it's a labor of love because if you think about it, light represents hope. So every bulb, every little light that you see is a hope of a child who finally have a roof over her head, or a family that will not have to be.
And on behalf of CPKC, we'd like to donate to the Daily Bread Food Bank a check for $15,000.
Just a quick word of thanks. There's a tremendous need in the city, and when people come together, we can do tremendous things.
This next song is called With You. Sing it if you know it. Running late on a Wednesday, shortcut by the freeway. Locked eyes as you pass me, two hearts on the cold street. Looking back at the same time, I feel your warmth, did you feel mine? I got the urge but I can't speak. Two hearts on a cold street. I know this sounds crazy, this could be fate, and I'm thinking maybe that you feel it too. Tell me, are you busy? Tell me you could stay, 'cause I'm thinking maybe. Or you travel to outer space, take a bullet to the heart just to keep it safe. For you, anything for you. With you, the issues fade away, like a dream in my arms, but I'm wide awake. With you, whenever I'm with you. Not the mistletoe, not the snow and ice, everywhere you go. Tigers singing carols right outside my door. All these things I want, that's what Christmas means to me, my love. Sing it back. See your smiling face, I never seen before. Even though I love you madly, it seems I love you more. Little cards you'll give me will touch my heart for sure. All these things and more. Sing it back, yeah. Open shot. That's what Christmas means to me, my love. Come on. I've been like running wild, as anxious as a child, reaching in the mistletoe, kiss you once and then some more. Merry Christmas, baby. Holly, 6 sweet silent night. Fill the tree with angel hair and pretty, pretty lights. With the red suit, something like that. I don't know. Not sure. I need you guys to sing this one nice and loud for the kids. Okay? Awesome. Santa won't be coming. Better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. What? Alright guys, we need you to sing this nice and loud. Santa needs to arrive just over a month. You guys gotta sing this part right now. Come on. Santa Claus is coming to town. Sing! Sing it! Nice and loud! You gotta be louder than that. You gotta be louder than that. You gotta be louder than that. Don't stop now, don't stop now. Santa Claus is coming to town. You know you're the mastermind. One more Rudolph, and I'm not too far behind. One Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it to town. Santa make a point, tell him he can take the freeway down. is a rock and roll electric guitar. And away with Rudolph, like a superstar, yeah. Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the train back down. Run, Rudolph, feeling like a merry-go-round. Everybody give it up for Matt on the guitar. How about the two on the guitar? Isaiah with the Leafs jersey in the back on the drum. On some hip hop. Send it to a boy child. What would please you most to get? Little baby doll that can cross the dream. Then away went Rudolph, whizzing like a Satan cat. Santa's gotta make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway. Rudolph, I'm reeling like a Toronto, thank you so much. My name is Tyler Shaw. That is Johnny King. And this is the CPKC Holiday Charade. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Love you guys. See you soon. Thank you.
Toronto, one more time, Shawnee Gish and Tyler Shaw. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Don't forget, you can.
It won't be long before we'll all be there with snow.
Snow. I want to wash my hands, my face and hair with snow.